Good morning student. Today we are going to discuss about the silicates. So before proceeding toward the silicate, we should know about the silicate. What do you mean by the silicates? Silicates are the silicates are nothing but which are present in the feldspar, mica, asbestos sheets. So which typically contain the Si4O ion. So we will discuss about the structure and bonding in the SiO4 ion. Later on we will discuss the classification of an silicates. That silicates are classified into pyrosilicate, sheet silicate, cyclic silicate, three-dimensional silicate, orthosilicates. Okay, that will be in details we will study later. So basic unit, that is the SiO4 which is present in the silicates. Okay, so which are the basic units present in the silicates? That is the SiO4. So before proceeding toward the Si4, we should know the atomic number of an silicon. We know that silicon is come in which family? Carbon, silicon, germanium, Sn and Pp. So this atomic number 6 and silicon atomic number is 14. So silicon having atomic number 14, its outer electronic configuration is 2, 8 and 4. That is 3s2, 3p x1, 3p y1 and 3p z0. Right. So it undergoes silicon undergo the excitation of an electron, and this electron is excited to 3p z orbital. So excited state configuration is 3s1, 3p x1, 3p y1 and 3p z1. It undergo the sp3 hybridization. So silicon undergo which hybridization? sp3, and it will form 4 sp3 hybrid orbital, 1, 2, 3 and 4, which contain the 1 unpaired electron. Okay. So sp3 hybridization means इसके geometry क्या होंगे? Tetrahedral. So this is the silicon in the center, and it will form the 4 bond with the 4 oxygen atom. Okay. So see here, the sp3 hybrid orbital of silicon will overlap with the oxygen. But prior to that, we should note the oxygen atomic number 8, 2 and 6. And if we write the configuration, outer electronic configuration is 2s2, 2px1 and 2py1. Okay, 2px2, 2py1 and 2pz1. Okay, 2px2, 6 electron, 2, 2 plus 4. So see here, oxygen has a 2 unpaired electron. So this 2py of an oxygen will overlap with the sp3 hybrid orbital of silicon, and it will form SiO bond. Now this 2pz of an oxygen contain 1 unpaired electron. Okay. So what happens? Due to this, it will form the 1 negative charge, that is 1 negative charge will be present on the oxygen. Similarly, another oxygen has also 1 negative charge, and it has a 1 negative charge. And this SiO4 unit is linked tetrahedrally. Okay. So what happens? Due to this, they are associated with some metals such as sodium, magnesium, aluminium. All these metals are associated with the silicon atom. Okay. See here, this dark circle, that is the silicon. Okay. Here this is the silicon, and this will the oxygen. Okay. So big circle is the oxygen. So we can also write down this SiO4 unit like this. So this is the silicon and these are the oxygen. Or we can also write down tetrahedrally. Silicon is in the center and this 4O minus are at the 4 corner of the tetrahedron. Okay. So this is the another geometry that is possible. Okay. SiO4 minus. So what happened? This SiO4 silicon tetrahedride, they are classified into following type, that is the orthosilicate, then pyrosilicate, cyclic silicate, then sheet silicate, chain silicate, or three-dimensional network. Okay, three-dimensional network. these are different. So now what happens? See here, this orthosilicate. This orthosilicate particularly contain the SiO4 minus unit, and means it contain that it do not share this oxygen atom with another tetrahedron. Means they contain only the SiO4 minus ion. Okay. So such type of an silicates is called as an orthosilicate. In pyrosilicates, they are in the form of a chain. अगर हमने इधर से बनाया, for example like this, okay, this is second, okay, you can draw rangoli in the house just like that. See here, these are the oxygen, oxygen, oxygen. This is oxygen, and in the center this is a silicon. In the center this is the silicon. This is oxygen, 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 oxygen. Oxygen here center, then minus charge that are present on all the oxygen atom. Okay, so this is the pyrosilicates. Mean two tetrahedrons are shared by means of one oxygen atom. For example, this is SiO4 minus. So this is the structure of an pyrosilicates. Okay, means what? One oxygen atoms are shared by means of two, and that's why they have the different formula. In cyclic silicate, they will form the cycle. Okay, so this will like this. So this is the cyclic silicate. In detail we will discuss in our PowerPoint presentation how it will be formed. Okay, I just draw here. Suppose this is silicon, oxygen, 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 like this. They will form the cyclic silicate. Sheet silicate also just like by sharing the two oxygen atom per tetrahedron. Again chain silicate, then three-dimensional network. So and they have the different formula, and they have the different examples, means they are associated with the different metal atoms. Okay, so depending on the metal which they are associated, they are classified as an ortho, pyro, cyclic and sheet silicate. So student, this is about the SiO4 tetrahedron. In next video we will discuss about the classification of n silicates such as pyro, ortho, cyclic, sheet silicate and chain silicate. So which hybridization is present in this SiO4 unit? sp3 hybridization. And how many charges are there? SiO4 minus 4. Okay. So there are 4 minus charges which are present on the oxygen atom, because it will have a 2 electron in its 2pz orbital and 2px orbital. So student, thank you for this, and after this one video we will complete our one unit. So please do the study regularly. So thank you for the watching. Have a good day.